What do we imagine when we gaze up at the stars? That perhaps we're not alone? The universe is full of mysteries. The truth is that we don't have all the answers to it. Although we are aware of its size and beauty, we are unsure of how vast it is. But some of the things we do know are simply astounding. Here is some astonishing information about space. 1. Space is entirely silent. To travel, sound waves need a medium. Space has no atmosphere, thus it will always be hauntingly silent in the area between stars. Nevertheless, sound can travel on planets with atmospheres and air pressure, which explains why there is a lot of noise on Earth and perhaps on other planets as well. 2. The sunset on Mars seems to appear blue. Sunsets on Mars, according to NASA, will appear bluish to human observers viewing from the red planet, just as colors are made more dramatic in sunsets on Earth. The blue near the sun's region of the sky is much more visible due to fine dust, whereas the red planet's typical rusty dust color is most noticeable under regular daylight conditions. 3. A planet composed of diamonds might exist. This is a rather astounding space fact. Scientists from Yale University have discovered a rocky planet called 55 Cancri. Its mass is 8 times bigger and it is twice as big as Earth. It might have a surface consisting of diamond and graphite. Despite being 40 light-years away, it may be seen with the naked eye in the Cancer constellation. 4. On Venus, a day lasts longer than a year. Due to Venus' sluggish axis rotation, one day on Venus takes 243 Earth days to complete. A year on Venus is 18 days shorter than a day there due to Venus's 225 Earth-day orbital period around the Sun. 5. In space, there is floating water. The largest known body of water has been discovered by astronomers in a giant water vapor cloud that is around 10 billion light-years away and contains 140 trillion times the mass of water in the oceans of the Earth. 6. On Mars, there is a volcano that is 3 times more massive than Everest. Olympus Mons, a volcano on Mars with dimensions of 600 kilometers in width and 21 kilometers in height, may still be active, according to geologists. It is the tallest peak, compared to the peaks from all the planets. The central peak of Rhea Silvia on Vesta, however, is 22 kilometers higher. 7. The universe contains more stars than there are sand grains on Earth. There would still be 10 times more stars in the universe even if we combine the sand from all of the world's beaches and deserts. There are thought to be 70 sextillion stars in the universe. This number is equivalent to 70 followed by 22 zeros. 8. Most galaxies contain a black hole at the center. Scientists have discovered that black holes are typically about 1/1000th as huge as their home galaxy, even though their nature is yet unknown. For instance, the mass of the Milky Way's central black hole is 4.6 million times that of the Sun. 9. In space, astronauts get taller. During their time in space, astronauts might gain roughly 5 centimeters in height. The absence of gravity causes their spine's discs to grow, increasing their height. This was demonstrated by Scott Kelly, an astronaut who spent 340 days in space. He also became taller than his twin brother on his return to Earth. 10. Approximately -454.75 degrees Fahrenheit is the temperature of outer space. Indeed, the universe is a very frigid place. This is quite near to the lowest temperature that may exist, which is absolute zero, or 459.67 degrees Fahrenheit, 273.15 degrees Celsius. 11. Shooting stars are pieces of cosmic junk that burn up as soon as they touch down on Earth. The term meteoroid refers to a type of space debris. Typically, these are fragments of comets and asteroids. Sometimes, the Earth passes by them while in orbit. These things disintegrate in our atmosphere, resembling shooting stars. 12. Proxima Centauri, the nearest star system to us, is 4.25 light-years away. Alpha Centauri is another name for Proxima Centauri. It is a member of the triple star system of Alpha Centauri. At 4.35 light-years away from Earth, the binary stars Alpha Centauri A and B are a little further apart. Proxima Centauri is the home of several exoplanets, including Proxima Centauri b, which may be capable of supporting life. For many people, space is a strange and beautiful thing. Humanity has always watched and attempted to learn from the great unknown. By comprehending our galaxy, we may be able to comprehend our role in it and how this world came into being. This list of 12 fascinating space facts is intended to make the mystery of space, well, less mysterious. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.